So today I've decided that I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine during quarantine. And just so you know, I just wanted to say that somebody told me, my friend Trina, she said that when you're making a YouTube channel, like you're trying to start something up, you have to like decide on what's your persona gonna be. And then I was like, oh my god, it made me realize that I've been acting like not like myself in my videos, like I'm acting manic or something, and it's not really my personality. Maybe when I was younger, but not anymore. So yeah, anyway, let's get right on to it. I'm gonna show you my skincare routine. So first off, obviously tie my hair because I'm gonna wash my face. So I only wash my face at night because when I wake up in the morning, I don't want to get rid of all that good oils that developed when I was sleeping. So in the morning, I just splash my face with water just to revitalize and open and make myself more awake. So now I smack my face with water to wet it, and then I'll go in with this. I'll go in with this cleansers. I don't really have a specific one that I use every single day, but this one is normally the one that I use, and it's from Rosette cleaning paste. It's from a Japanese brand, Rosette. I really like it. It doesn't super dry out your skin, and it looks like that. It's like a paste. I think it's made from clay or something. And this is the anti-acne one. Before that, I could really see a difference when I use this. I felt like it really can dry out the acne, but right now I don't know because I haven't been having that much acne because I'm not really going out. Sometimes I'm gonna go in with like a face brush. It's in my shower because I just realized that my bathroom might be like reverberating all my sound. So I hope that this is being recorded well. And my teeth look so yellow. But yeah, there we go. See that. I try not to use so much water, but save the planet. Try and be conservative with what you're using, because some places don't even have water. So after my face is clean, I'm gonna move on to moisturizing my face. So I actually bought this thing. I bought a tiny little refrigerator that I can put my skincare in. So take my hair out of my scrunchie. The next thing I use is toner. I use this Wonder Pore toner along with another one that's for acne, but I forgot what's the active ingredient in it, but I don't use that all the time because it's gonna dry out my skin. I don't want to use so much though. And I target this on my T-zone because that's where I'm the most oily. And if you really washed your face well, it should come out clean. Also go through my eyebrows because I feel like dirt gets captured in your eyebrows, and it's clean-ish. My next step would be, well, right now I would do my moisturizer. So this one is not actually this product right here. It's actually Japanese moisturizer as well. It's super thin, so it absorbs into your face really fast. It's this product. What is it? Goku-jyun. Goku-jyun. But yeah, I put that in here and I kind of mixed it with the excess of face mask juice. You know, like the sheet masks, I squeezed it out and I put it in a separate squeeze pot, like a tube, and this is just a bunch of face mask juice. I put a few pumps of that here. If you find that weird, okay, but I'm reusing things. So I put that Japanese thing, the HADA LABO, and I put the face mask juice and I mixed it and I put it in here because it has a nice dropper. I like this product. I really do. The skin VC effector thing, but I ran out and that's not accessible where I live. Oh, it's so cold. It feels so great. And this just absorbs into your skin super fast because it's so thin. And if you're the type of person who hates thick moisturizers, this is the one for you. And then my final step, when I'm really feeling fancy, is using this thing. My mom gave it to me because she doesn't like it, and that's the only way that I'm gonna be getting any bougie products is from my mom. This is a Missha Super Aqua Cell Renew Snail Essential Moisturizer. But I don't really know what it does, but I like how it feels. The smell is a bit strong, but I like how Snail essence things work. I feel like it lightens my dark spots that I get from acne, and when I wake up in the morning, my skin feels super soft and plump. And when you put this in the fridge, it's like the best feeling. So I take like 2 pumps of that and I'm gonna spread it everywhere on my face. And it be thick, it's really thick. And that's basically it for moisturizing. If I have a pimple, I'm gonna put like a pimple patch. But I just buy these kinds. I bought this in Watson's. When it's on the right type of pimple, it's gonna suck out all of that bad stuff, and in the morning you're gonna see that it's white, and like the pimple patch is white, and your acne or your pimple would have like gone down. So I like that. If it's not that kind of pimple that can get sucked up by that thing, I use this Clean and Clear acne gel. That's about it. That's all I do. It's really simple, it's really easy. Like, oh, I'm shiny. What's the point of making your skincare? It opened because my drawers suck. What's the point of making your skincare routine difficult? You have to make it super fast, super easy so that you can actually do it. And I feel like less is more. If you use a lot of products, I feel like you might be canceling out their effects because you're mixing it all together. And also I think that companies, they release product lines like with many products so that they make you buy it and then you waste your money when some of the products are doing the same thing. So I don't know, that could be a conspiracy. I'm not sure if that's true, but you can try it. Yes, I hope you enjoyed that video. It's a very different video from anything that I've done. But yeah, I'm gonna try and start uploading now because a lot of things have happened in my life. And yeah, so if you like the video, like, subscribe, comment. And yeah, don't report me to YouTube. Alright,